Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new update on Instagram that makes it easier than ever to stay on top of your reminders. If you want to enable reminders notifications on your PC, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Instagram account. Simply log in like you normally would, and you'll be greeted by your home feed. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and from there select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience. Now let's focus on notifications. Click on Notifications to get to all the notification settings available. Next, find and click on Push Notifications. This option allows you to manage how Instagram communicates with you, which is key to keeping your reminders in check. Finally, look for the section labeled Reminders. Once you find it, toggle the switch to On. This step will ensure that you start receiving notifications about your important reminders, so you never miss a beat. And that's it. You've successfully enabled reminders, notifications on Instagram using your PC. Now, you can stay organized and keep track of your important tasks directly through Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.